This is the Donner Concert Ukulele set. I have it in the Mahogany color and the 23-inch size. So this actually comes in 3 different sizes, from 21-inch all the way up to 26-inch, varying in price as well. So this little ukulele has amazing sound. It's got a arched back design, which just really gives you that clear, amazing sound right from the bass. Crafted, super handy, 18:1 gear ratios on it makes it super easy to tune. But this whole set also comes with a strap for ease of playing, a microfiber cloth for cleaning it and keeping it handy, fresh strings, as well as picks to play with. So you get a nice set of 3. In addition to that, a tuner will come with it to help in your tuning needs. Really hard to do that just by ear. But the sound of the whole ukulele itself too just has a very kind of rich sound, full-bodied, and overall just a very well-made ukulele in its whole. Very easy to play. They've got some lessons that come with it for free as well that you can refer to with online videos. Definitely recommend checking them out. And in addition, it has this full case to keep it in while you're touring around and looking at it. Definitely check it out. Love it.